Welcome to EJ Bits. This is my unboxing, review, and testing of your Imarflex Immersion blender. So let's unbox this product. So again, it's an immersion blender with variable speed control. It can make grinded nuts, smoothies, salsa, and pancakes. So gagawa tayo ng mga ganong recipes later in the video. So this will include your food processor, your whisk and measuring cup, and your actual blender. 60 watts of power. I like the grip of the product, pero unbox muna natin siya. So this is your unit. The unit is very sturdy. So the sides is made of metal, and all of the black pieces it's made of durable plastic. And so this is your blender part. And of course, there you have it. You have your warranty card and your user manual. So warranty card, lifetime free service guarantee. So very good customer service. Don't forget to buy in the link in the description. That's their official store. And of course, your user manual. If ever you need any guidance. So inside this box, we have more items. So here is your whisk attachment. And this is your measuring cup. So you can use your whisk in the measuring cup. You can also use the immersion blender in this measuring cup. And again, made of plastic. And yung bottom part niya, it's made of a rubber type material. This is your whisk attachment for the blender itself. And this is your food chopper, food processor. So there you have it. Again, this is your food chopper and all of the information it's here. There's also a wall mount holder if you need one. And 400 ml chopper bowl. So again, grinded nuts. Later we will do grinded coffee. The coarse, of course, coarse ground coffee. Not the fine one. You know, you have two different types of coffee. You have your fine and you have your coarse. So coarse ang gagawin natin later. And to connect, make sure to align the tabs and just make sure to secure it in place. Ayan, very simple. There you have it. It's a sturdy connection, no leakage based on my testing. We will have testing later, don't worry about it. And this is your holder, so you just mount this in the wall. You can drill your wall if you want to. And very easy, just put your blender with the attachment also. You can also put it with the attachment. So take note. And of course, again, LAZMALL of Imarflex available in the description of the video. So again, testing natin again this holder. It holds it very sturdy. I did not mount it to my wall because you don't see the need for it. But if you want to mount it on the wall, of course you have the chance because you're given the item. And again, your measuring cup, very important. There you have your measuring cup. And you're given measurements if you need. And this bottom part, this rubber part, you can remove it. And very important, very nice feature to have. Easy cleaning also. And this is your unit. So I like the unit. It's very easy to use. You see the arrow. Just have to connect the arrow to the unlock icon located on all of your attachments. So yan, you see the unlock and the lock. And you see the arrow. Very important not to mess this up. Do it gently. And there will be a snap you'll hear a snap. There you go. And then just turn it clockwise. There you go. Snaps in place. Very easy and very simple. So the price of this product, if you are wondering, it's 2,500 pesos on Lazada. Again, links in the description. So if you might ask na medyo mahal yung price niya, compared to other options, compared to other branded options, usually they cost around 5,000 or more. But this one, we will have ratings also later. The functionality of this one is the same as the one offered by more expensive brands. But for here, you have lifetime service. So just make sure you have your receipt and the warranty card for those things to happen. So there you go. Again, variable speed feature. Very important and very nice to have on this budget range. So there you go. You have two buttons here. Your one button, you can adjust it dun sa taas. 2 is your bonus, your high setting. And if you want to adjust it, as you can hear, mas mababa yung power niya. Very easy to adjust. Again, all of the instructions and all of the other features are in the user manual. And to successfully mount, again, lock and then counterclockwise to remove and clockwise to put it in. Yeah, that's your one setting, which is adjustable. Your two setting is your max. You can't adjust that one. So let's proceed to the testing. We are going to use Starbucks beans of coffee, roasted coffee beans. There you have it. And we will just lock it in place and let's start grinding. So I'm using the one option here, and I'm using the two option, the max speed. And as we can see here, after 30 seconds of uninterrupted chopping and food processing, and you can also use it as a lid for easy storage. Very nice feature. And again, coarse. So I did a coarse ground here. You wouldn't be able to do fine grind, but coarse grind is definitely sufficient, and it's a very good feature. And again, the salsa you saw in the start of the video. Here's your salsa being blended using the max setting. Salsa's very good and it tastes really nice. This one is your pumpkin soup. If you want pumpkin soup recipe, just like the video and comment, I want the pumpkin soup recipe. So very simple pumpkin soup recipe, and then we will just use the immersion blender to blend it. You have two options to blend. You can use your immersion blender if you want chunky pumpkin soup, or you can also use the food processor. So it depends. I would prefer to use the food processor because this one over here, this food processor, this is exactly one serving of pumpkin soup. So if you use the food processor, you can use it also to, measure exactly one proper serving of pumpkin soup. And it has a very smooth texture. And I put cream also to have a nice vibrant yellow color. Very nice. So this pumpkin soup recipe was made using 1/4 of a pumpkin, and it can serve 2 to 4 people. So there you have it. So again, you have two options. You can use your immersion blender for your quick and chunky pieces, and your food processor for more fine foods. And this one for the fruit lovers out there, apple and mango, you can use any fruit you want. Unfortunately, these immersion blenders are not suitable for ice. So even other immersion blender brands do not recommend to use ice on this one. That's alright because it has lots of features. And you also have the whisk attachment, which I wasn't able to test. But whisking, you can use it to whisk your eggs. Very simple. And as easy as that, again, 30 seconds. Make sure to unplug your immersion blender after 60 seconds of usage. Just let it rest. So here are my ratings for it. Functionality, design, and price, all 10. Very good. Very, very nice for the price. I really do like it. And your blending will be a 9. 60 watts again. It's very nice. Overall rating 9.3. So I do recommend. Buy from the link in the description. Imarflex is it's a good brand. It's a trusted brand. So you should definitely go check this out if you want to have an easier life in the kitchen. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next videos. See you next time. Thank you for watching.